Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi fried rice easy. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat, add oil, and sauté chopped kimchi until edges caramelize. Add day-old rice and press to break clumps, then season with soy sauce, sesame oil, and gochujang if desired. Stir in green onions, fold in cooked protein, top with a fried egg, and finish with sesame seeds for a quick, satisfying meal. Start by heating a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat with a splash of oil. Add chopped kimchi and cook until it softens and browns lightly for developed flavor. Push kimchi to the side, add rice, and press to separate grains while stirring to combine. Add soy sauce, sesame oil, and a small spoon of gochujang if you like extra heat. Finish with scallions and a quick toast of sesame seeds to serve. For variations, swap protein to match your pantry. Bacon, ham, tofu, or leftover chicken all work well. Control spice by using less gochujang and add a splash of soy sauce if more savory depth is needed. For texture contrast, include crunchy vegetables or toasted sesame seeds and serve with a quick cucumber pickle or extra kimchi on the side. This approach keeps the dish flexible, fast, and consistently flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.